Welcome back to the channel. If you've entered the wrong passcode too many times on your iPad, the device may become locked or display the iPad unavailable screen. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 3 ways to factory reset your iPad and remove a forgotten screen passcode. Before we begin, please keep in mind that all of these methods will erase everything stored on your iPad. So, if possible, make sure your important data has already been backed up. Method 1. Use the Forgot Passcode option. The first method is also the easiest. You can reset your iPad directly from the lock screen using the Forgot Passcode option. If you don't see this option, make sure your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi, and then check again. Tap Forgot Passcode and sign in with your Apple ID. Your iPad will then erase all of its content and settings, including the forgotten screen passcode. Once the reset is complete, the iPad will restart automatically. You can then set it up as a new device or restore your data from an iCloud backup. Method 2. Reset your iPad. Using Find My, if the first method isn't available, you can also erase your locked iPad remotely through the Find My app. For this method to work, your iPad must be turned on and connected to the internet. On another Apple device that's signed in with the same Apple ID, open the Find My app. Select the locked iPad from your device list and then tap Erase this device. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the Apple ID verification. Your iPad will then begin the factory reset process automatically. After the device restarts, you can activate it again and create a new screen passcode. However, if an unknown error pops up preventing the reset, the next method may be a better option. Method 3. Use UltFone iPhone. Unlock, the third method, is to use UltFone iPhone Unlock. If you've forgotten your Apple ID password, or you simply want a more beginner-friendly solution, this tool can help you reset your iPad in just a few steps. It supports most iPhone and iPad models, and I've included the download link in the video description. First, connect your iPad to the computer with a USB cable. Open UltFone iPhone Unlock and select Unlock iOS screen. Next, follow the instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. The software will then ask you to download the firmware package that matches your device. Once the download is complete, click the button to start removing the screen passcode and resetting the iPad. The entire process usually takes around 10 minutes. When your iPad restarts, the factory reset is complete. You can activate the device again, create a new screen passcode, and start using it normally. The process is simple and straightforward, even if you've never reset an iPad before. If this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more useful iOS tips and tutorials in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.